Bro Alma. That's what the boat says. Bro Alma. Oh shoot! What the buck is up? Hope you're having a fucking outrageous day. So today, I'm back on the Detroit River. As you guys can see right now, I'm making it down to one of my main spots. We got crystal clear skies. Water is kind of dirty. We're in the late season right now, so it's actually going to be a tough bite. May 31st, going to be searching for these fish. Let's go. So right now, I'm just making it out to the bank. It's really, really cold. You know, it's tough conditions right now. It's late walleye season. Let me take this off for you guys. But I'm still going to try to dig into them. You know, we got the windy conditions. May 31st. Hopefully I can slam with these walleye right now. We're working very, very hard trying to find them. Maybe they're gone. It's the end of the season. There you guys go. That's the Bloody Mary. Using a 5/8 jig today. It's got a red back with a chartreuse belly. I find that the chartreuse is a very, very strong color for walleye right now. I mean, it works all year round. It's very, very visible. So that's why I use it. Chartreuse, anything green, my favorite color. You guys should know that by now, but let's give this a shot. That's a good sign. Birds. Nick, you're about to get a fish. No, you're about to. The birds is a good sign. Birds means there's fish. There you go. Second one. Nice. On the Bloody Mary again. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Appreciate that. Woo, it's hopping around. Hopping around, hopping around, hopping around. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Feisty. I chinned it. That's in the chin. Still swiped at it though. Alright. Really get a hold of your walleye. Oh. Whew, there we go, beautiful. She's chunky. Nice and fat still. Belly's still on her. Still has eggs in it. I'm pretty surprised right now for a late season fit walleye like this. Deep into May, but catch and release today, so great start to the day. I'm bombing about 35 yards. It was like, I was like aiming at the buoy still, but in front of you. You know what I'm talking about? Like I was angled at the buoy. So I would have to say like 35 degrees off the rail. Maybe from you, 20 feet. There we go, another fish. Right below your feet. Right below your feet. Oh yeah. Right below your feet, buddy. Another one on the day. So there you guys go. Another one. That was a very nice cast. That was a very nice cast. I'm just hitting that pod right now. There you go, another male. This one's beauty. Nice greenback early morning, deep into May. So surprised that we're hitting them like this, like I said. But I'm doing a little bit catch and release today, so here we go, back into the water. I'll see you next year. There we go. Another one on the day. Yeah?
I got another jig.
You got another jig? Thank you, sir. The mini. Hey, they're biting though.
I'm catching jigs.
Yeah. I'll trade you.
Okay.
So he's gonna donate me a jig, and I'm gonna donate him this walleye. There you go, buddy. Here you go, Romeo. Enjoy. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Great deal.
Yeah.
Great deal. Thank you.
Catch a fish, I'll catch a jigs.
All right. Ta-da! Thank you, sir. I'm gonna catch a fish with that later. Watch.
You probably will.
Bloody Mary. He's like, this is my new favorite color. Bro Alma. That's what the boat says. Bro Alma. Oh shoot! Jesus Christ. Gee, I was trying to point at the boat. I felt the bite when I was pointing at the boat. Thank you, man. That was weird. Look, I was pointing at it over there at the boat. I was like, bro, Alma, the fish bit. Another one on the day. Five. But the first one I didn't record, so 4 for the viewers. Yeah, this is for you, bro. This is for you. Wow, this thing. That was not getting away. Yeah, beautiful eater though. There you go, Rome.
Cute.
Another one to the stringer. Enjoy. Cool. Bro Alma, right there. You guys see that on the boat? I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, that's what I was looking at when the fish bit. Bro Alma. Yeah? Oh yeah. He's slaying right now. Oh shit! Okay, 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 okay. No, he's gonna be first. He's gonna be first. Okay. Nice catch, brother. Like we just. Oh, I got a drum. I got a drum. All right. I caught a drum. You want to trade fish? Come on, bro. This is a good one. Look at this. This one's silver. That one's green. This silver's better than green.
I like the red one.
Mine's bigger. Come on, man. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. There you guys go. Freshwater drum. I love the fight on these guys though. They should make this like a new sport fish. I don't know why they don't do tournaments on these fish, but they truly should. The fight, they are immense on these fish. Ow, I just hooked my finger. But there you go. See one of these. Freshwater. Oh, freshwater drum. Yeah, I think it spiked me a few times. Oh. Alright, drum it is. Hurting me today. You got
I don't know what I keep catching out there.
bicycle. Ta-da! Another one on the day. Jesus Christ. Oh, under the chin. There you go. Yeah, it's in the mouth. Thank you. There you go, buddy. Thank you. Thank you, Wayne. Well, I'll make sure. I don't know. That's not a silver. That's a walleye. Hold on. You have 5 now on your stringer, right? Well, after you land this one.
Yeah.
After you land this one. Hold on. I'm gonna make sure you land this one first, and then if it goes in the basket, okay. I'm gonna give this to Wayne. All right?
All right.
Romeo.
Yep. Go ahead.
I wanted to make sure that one got into the basket first, and then I'll give this to you.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah.
I showed my kid that video on the Legos.
You like that?
Yeah. That's cool. That's a nice eater, man. Right
Oh,
there.
yeah.
That's a nice size. Wow.
There you go.
Down here later. Maybe. You guys use half ounce down here?
No, 1 ounce or 3/4.
Yeah, 1 ounce.
Yeah, because it's 30 something feet deep, right?
Okay, man.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, man. Everybody use a braided 10 pound?
Yeah, braided 10 pound, 8 pound leader. Yeah, you're good to go.
Yeah, thanks, buddy.
Yep.
Trade. Or we'll trade. I'll give you a smaller one. This is a bigger one.
Oh, there you go, Pete.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, I don't want to get somebody's shit all
I was demonstrating and look what happens. I catch fish.
That's
the guru.
The grung.
beginner's luck, bro.
So you see what I'm saying?
Training me, bro.
So what you do is you have to hit bottom, right? So you just gotta hit bounce off the bottom. If they're there, they'll grab it. You know what I mean?
Nice catch, Pete.
Oh shit. Get my shit all up over here. I think it's the garlic.
Yep. That girl's still screaming away.
Yeah, no, I'm wide over here.
I know, man. That girl's still screaming away.
I know it. Or no?
Oh, you want it? Yeah, you can take it, bro. That's a nice one, too.
Damn.
There you go. Another one.
Sucker fun.
Thank you, buddy.
Yep.
Eat it.
There you
That's
go.
I see.
Still on the Bloody Mare, though. But look right to the top, eh?
Fucking hook is real nice.
Hell yeah. Here, you want this?
Yes, please.
Yo, man. Here you go,
Okay.
bro. Donation day.
Yes.
Donate
Thank
to
you.
everybody. Yep.
Yep.
There you go, bro.
I already donated.
Yep. Alright guys, gonna end my day there. A little slow today. People are just going crazy behind me, you can see. Don't know what's going on. Yeah, somebody's going crazy over there. Cops are over there, you can hear in the background. Anyways, like I said, caught a bunch of walleye, ended up getting a drum. A few people caught on shoreline also, but it was very, very dirty. Tough conditions right now. With that east wind, hard. Anyways, hope you're having a better day than that person right there. Till next time, signing off. Bye bye, crazy lady. Bye bye, crazy lady. That was kind of crazy.